Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to Trending News. The last person we would expect for this Vybz Kartel is Lisa Hype. So, if you never know, Lisa Hype from out of nowhere woke up and decide say, yo, me got this cartel wicked. She had a lot to say. Lisa say, yo, she has been getting a lot of criticism from dancehall fans, saying she don't know her place. She arms up cartel everywhere him go, and that is very disrespectful to see them. There was a video where Vybz Kartel was performing on stage and Lisa Hype was there holding on to cartel bag. The people say, Lisa Hype did care about wine at the bag that night. The money. Lisa Hype response was she did not try hold the bumper hole from the drop. Yes, a cartel Lisa Hype really had this up, so you know, can't believe star. Lisa Hype went on to say that the X1 were cartel by Sean Storm are F-free and owe him for buy a Moody Benz and a fuckery car for Sean Storm. She say, yo, Sean Storm, no worry your head, me I go buy you the GLE soon. I want you to tell me your thoughts on this one. But this is my thoughts, yo. Me feel like Lisa Hype head lick a chip. Me feel like, yo, she a go through heights of depression. We also, I get to understand, say, yo, Lisa Hype and Dexta Daps were in a relationship, and at some point throughout that relationship, me hear say Lisa Hype got pregnant, allegedly. It is also alleged that Dexta never did want the baby and some termination happened. And me hear say, yo, Lisa Hype just never recover from that and it lick her chip. And during all of this, Lisa Hype did have time to leak a naked photo, a naked video, vibing to Dexta Daps, bring it to the owner. She also had time to diss Shana Chin by saying, yo, she can't go on with Addy cause she could have cared less about him. Boy, Lisa a rough yeah, man. People are speculating say, yo, Lisa felt jealous because Vybz Kartel gave Aishana the hit feature and left Lisa Hype to fend for herself. But more on tell me in the comments, what do you think about all of this? What do you think could have caused all of this? And should Vybz Kartel avoid Lisa Hype at all costs? Remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Black gone. The black one did put on the left side, it gone. My third eye open my back. Watch me on a blood clot. Think my like you know? My good man. Siva, big up yourself, my brother. Know yourself. Your sister go buy you a jelly then. Cause that way you get a sucker. Here. How Mooney to get bumbo clot then? And you get X1 dimmer. Mooney do 13 years. Hey, and that get my dark in a youth. I want to you. Me I go buy you your bumbo clot then. Mooney do bumbo clot 13 years but him I get bent. I want to see him to slap a back clean him head boy him get bent. Pussy hole. Boy him get bumbo clot then. Trying to make my buck him on the road too. Informer pussy hole Mooney. What do you when them put out a video about me and thief money out of the G bag? After me I try all the bumbo hole feed not drop off a stage. Yo, batty boy Mooney. Send the video to the man and tell the man boy watch ya. My little and them can own bumbo clock money. A bank all my money for me. I hardly spend. Here and them something. Them I buy them bumbo clock something. They bank all my money. And me I invest in my career right now. I want to know. Me no wear wig and eyelash and them something unless me I do video shoot, photo shoot, or me I go interview. Otherwise from that, me look like a mad homeless blood clot girl and I so me love it. Me not frightened for vanity. So you can't use no bling and trick me. Me another idiot country girl from Tavern. When it come on me yard, come sit down on my table and do what she do. And as she left me out, she go meet world boss. Cause she did a fuck blood clot carry well live round at the back of father room yard. And then she start fuck Sean Storm and milk box her down. And then Addy start fuck her. And the whole Gaza fuck ya. One man from the Gaza fuck me. And I the boss. Cause I that me the boss. Me not the basket. You cannot even construct a proper interview. It's no your talk. You do a song with Dexta, big song. Them ask you, how come you come up with that song? You know Mama and Papa days. And the song name High School Love. Go back a bumbo clot school, girl.
You know, sir, I just wake up this morning and I wake up to see a bad man story upon the bench. So I just have to watch it off well, swoop it down, you see me? Yeah man, you don't know it's a bench madness. One under my nose. I'm out. What we do with bad mind? Get them out.